Good evening, guys. Welcome to the Great Saltee Islands. This is actually the first place that I ever felt like I was doing wildlife photography. It is absolutely amazing here. Lovely pink flower here, don't know what it's called, but when you get on behind that, it's absolutely beautiful. The sun is a little bit glary, so I've just dropped my exposure by 1, just hopefully that works. So you can see on their chests, all the birds here have a lot of white on them, so, and I'm just going to try a few shots with that just to see how it works. So guys, the puffins have no fear of humans. They're literally 6 feet. There's a dozen, if not more, right in front of me and constantly landing. I haven't got a flight shot. I haven't got the sand eels yet. Hopefully I will. It's just coming up on 8 o'clock. We're leaving here at 9. A guy just came in with sand eels there. I threw the camera away. I missed him anyway. This trip was actually organised by a photographer from Cork called Ron, and Ron invited 12 photographers from all over Ireland. We have photographers from Kildare, Cork, Kerry, Clare, Limerick, Belfast. Fair play to Ron for organising it. So a good lot of us were strangers, so it's nice to meet new photographers and get out as well. It wouldn't be my forte with photography, action shots or flight shots, but I'm going to try a few before the sun completely goes down and I get nothing. 2 clocks just passed, my first time seeing one. I hope I pronounced it right. I get a lot of banter on my comments about how I pronounce words. The word herring apparently is a heron and a herring is a fish. So tomatoes, guys. On a nice bright evening like this, it does allow you to mess with your shutter speed a bit. So, like, flight shots are good. Now the puffins are fair fast. I've took a load of shots. Hopefully I got something. If not, it's not the end of the world for me. I do like posed shots more so than action shots, but I still would like to get them. But as I said, a nice bright day is definitely well worth its weight in gold for trying to get them here. and do the gannets. I just really wanted to stay and concentrate on the puffins, and that's what I did for the day. And I've been messing with different speeds, f-stops, just to see the different styles of images, and hopefully I got something good. If I do, I'll post them up for you. If you do come to the Saltee Islands, you don't need fancy camera equipment, you don't need thousands of euros worth of camera equipment. The Puffins 6 to 8 feet max, you will get good shots here. So don't panic that your camera equipment isn't good enough, that you don't have all this high-tech equipment. You could come here with your phone and probably get some great photos. So don't be a bit shy. You should definitely visit here. Absolutely amazing. I'm going to turn the camera. Look at this. How are you keeping? They are so cheeky, or not even cheeky, not even bothered with us. Pat down along, guys. I'm actually going to turn my camera upside down and walk with it, and then I'll be able to fix it back up again in a while. So guys, when you are walking the footpaths, be very careful. As you can probably see, there's some burrows there, so watch where you're putting your feet. The Saltees, I'll say it again, is an absolutely special place to be, so we don't want to ruin things for other people. When you come to the Saltee Islands, you can expect to see the puffins, probably the most famous bird that people want to come and see. But you have razorbills, guillemot, gannets, loads of pipits here. There's rabbits here, shags. It is so busy here. That's all you can hear all day is birds. Well worth a visit. And also very busy here with photographers. So I'm just down a small bit where it's quiet, so I can do a bit of vlog for you. So it's almost that time. I can see a lot of photographers starting to pack up and starting to walk the footpaths. So I'm going to be doing the same, guys. Again, thanks for watching. If you like my videos, please like and subscribe. It means a lot. And I'll see you all next video. Bye now.